So how can you uninstall the Microsoft Teams on your iPad? Let me guide you through it. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and videos like this one. So you basically have like two options. Obviously, to uninstall the app, you just have to locate it on your iPad. Like you can go to the app library or have it on the home screen. You can hold it down on it and just click on the options and then click on a delete app, and it will of course be deleted from your device for good. However, I know a lot of people who don't want to just, stop having full access to the app like altogether, but perhaps they just want to sign out of the app. And the point is that you can of course get inside of your Teams application and tap on your profile and literally just go to the profile again, and you should have the ability to sign out in here, right? So that's how you can make sure that you stop using like your account in here. So you essentially just will keep using the app without the account. So you can see in the settings, as I said, we have the sign out button. But the point is that you will still have the app access and you can get inside and you will be able to join meetings as guest because, at the bottom you have the join meeting button. So that would work, but you will no longer have your account associated with it. So that is like a nice advantage if you perhaps want to switch to a different, mode for your Teams, right? I just had to mention that option as well, but that would be about it from me. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later.